Chicago in winter. A beautiful sight, snow falls and buildings sparkle. The city has a special magic, but winter in Chicago brings challenges. Snow and ice make driving tough, especially downtown. Streets get crowded and visibility drops. Driving in snow needs skill and caution. We need to understand the risks, adapt our driving, and respect the power of winter. Let's explore how to survive, and even enjoy, driving in Chicago's snowy season. Downtown Chicago, a maze of streets adds snow and ice. It's a driver's nightmare. Visibility decreases, snow builds up on roads, and ice hides under the snow. It's hard to see and easy to slip. Traffic gets worse, cars move slowly, and people get impatient. Accidents happen more. Driving in these conditions, it takes focus and patience. It's about staying safe. Before you brave the snow, prepare your car. Winter puts stress on vehicles, so regular maintenance is vital. Check your tires. Good tread depth is key for grip. Consider winter tires for extra safety. They grip better on ice and snow. Check your brakes and ensure they're in top shape. You need to stop quickly on slick roads. Check your fluids and use winter-grade windshield washer fluid. It won't freeze in the cold. Keep your gas tank at least half full. A well-maintained car is a safe car. Driving in snow is different. It needs a gentle touch and a watchful eye. Slow down, reduce speed to match the conditions. Speeding is dangerous. Increase following distance. Leave extra space between you and the car ahead. You need more time to stop on slippery surfaces. Brake gently. Avoid sudden braking as it can cause skids. Steer smoothly and avoid sudden movements. Stay focused and stay alert. Section 5. Snow day mishaps, learning from common mistakes. Even experienced drivers make mistakes, especially in the snow. Let's look at common ones. Overconfidence, thinking you can handle any condition. Snow and ice can surprise even the best drivers. Tailgating, following too closely. It reduces reaction time. It increases the risk of collisions. Sudden movements, jerking the steering wheel or slamming the brakes. This can lead to skids and loss of control. Learn from these mistakes. Drive defensively. Expect the unexpected. Section 6. Parking follies in a winter wonderland. Parking in Chicago is always a challenge. Winter makes it even harder. Snow reduces visibility. It covers parking spaces. It makes it hard to judge distances. Ice adds another layer of difficulty. It makes it slippery to maneuver. It increases the risk of fender benders. Be patient. Take your time. Look for clear and safe parking spots. Section 7. The art of winter zen, staying calm in the chaos. Driving in Chicago snow can be stressful. Traffic jams, close calls. It's easy to get frustrated. Take a deep breath, stay calm. Stress can impair your judgment. Don't let other drivers' behavior affect you. Stay focused on your own driving. Be predictable. Be courteous. Remember, it's about getting there safely. Section 8. The joys beyond the windshield. Embracing Chicago's winter spirit. Driving in Chicago snow can be a challenge, but it's also part of the city's charm. Look beyond the snow-covered streets. See the beauty of the cityscape, the glow of lights reflecting off the snow, the festive decorations. Enjoy the company of loved ones in the car. Share a laugh, play some music. Make the most of the journey. Winter in Chicago is special. Embrace it. Section 9. Drive safe, Chicago. A final thought. Driving in Chicago during winter is a test of skill, a test of patience. By preparing your car, driving carefully and staying calm, you can conquer the challenge. Remember, safety is paramount. Be aware, be prepared, be cautious. Let's make this winter driving season in Chicago a safe one.